Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to identify the appropriate rejection region when testing a hypothesis involving a population proportion. If you've ever been confused about whether the rejection region is on the left, right, or both sides of the graph, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand it clearly.
What is population proportion? A population proportion represents a percentage of population that has a certain characteristic. For example, the proportion of students who pass an exam, the proportion of votes who support a candidate. So the proportion of consumers satisfied with the product. When we test claims about the proportions, we use hypothesis testing, especially our z-test proportion. First step in identifying the rejection region is stating the hypothesis. The null hypothesis, or H sub 0, usually states that the population proportion is equal to a specific value. The alternative hypothesis, or H sub 1, shows what we are trying to test. So there are the three possible forms. So if the p-value is not equal, it means two-tailed test. So if the p-value is greater than, it means right-tailed test. So if the p-value is less than, it means left-tailed test. So the alternative hypothesis determine where the rejection region will be located.
Next, identify the level of significance called alpha or A. Common values are 0.05, 0.01. This represents the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. Now, let's determine the rejection region based on the type of test. So, in case number 1, right-tailed test, or the value of P is greater than. If A is equals 0.5, the critical value is 1.645. We reject the null hypothesis if the Z critical is greater than 1.645. So the rejection region is on the right side.
In case number 2, left-tailed test, or P negative or less than value. If A is equals 0.05, the critical value is negative 1.645. So we reject null hypothesis if the Z critical value is negative 1.645. The rejection region is on the left side. So in the case number 3, two-tailed test, or P is not equal if A is equals to 0.05, each tail has 0.025. The critical values are negative 1.96 and positive 1.96. So we reject null hypothesis if the Z critical is negative 1.96 or the Z critical values positive 1.96.
identifying the rejection region, compute the z-test statistic using the population proportion formula. Compare your compute z-value with the critical value. If the z-value inside the rejection region, reject h sub 0 if not fail. To reject h sub 0, so to identify the appropriate rejection region, states the hypothesis, identify the levels of significance, determine the type of test, find the critical value, compare the z-test statistic with the rejection region. Okay.
And that's how you identify the appropriate rejection region involving population proportion. I hope this step-by-step explanation help you understand it clearly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye!
Balik ba